drag soldering with automatic soldering machines. The high-efficiency continuous soldering process for electronic manufacturing. Temperature-controlled iron tips move steadily along preset paths with molten solder, letting it wet multiple pins and pads evenly, forming a smooth solder layer every time. It combines automated motion control and constant temperature solder feeding tech, making it the core solution for batch soldering of fine-pitch components. Widely used in circuit board assembly across industries and fully compatible with your standardized large-scale automated production lines.